Have you ever wondered why certain things in business or just like life in general are not working out for you? We struggle every day trying to grow our social media influence, our businesses, and many other things at that. Well, I am here to get you in what I call a true business mindset. And it's coming up right after this. What's up, legends? I hope you're all having a blessed day. It's Cal Preston here with Personal Legends, giving you some tips and tricks with becoming an online entrepreneur and giving you the right mindset for it. On this channel, I'm going to be giving you all of the knowledge that I've been learning for months and months for some of the greatest mentors that I've had. A lot of people think to have a true mentor, you have to pay for them, have a personal connection with them, but that's not the case at all. There are so many books out there and so many online resources and so many mentors that have put their work out there for you to consume. So not only do I have personal mentors, but I've had non-personal mentors, and I want to share everything with you guys. Plus things I'm learning myself on my personal journey. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and clicking that bell notification to be kept up with my videos. So when people think business mindset, they think, how can I grow my business massively? Or how can I gain the most subscribers instantly? Or how can I make more money? When those are all the wrong things to be thinking about, at least in the beginning. But here are 3 ways of thinking when really you're trying to start a business, become an entrepreneur, grow on a social media platform, anything that you're having to do something for somebody else. So number 1 is going to be start with a healthy mindset. Is your mind in the right place? Do you have self-awareness? Do you have emotional neutrality? Do you have a clear goal in mind for yourself? Before you start anything, you really need to have a good understanding of yourself. And I'll be talking about how to do these things in videos to come. So number 2 is going to be always give value. Instead of thinking, how can I take like 90% of people out there, always think, how can I give? Only giving value with no expectations in return can be a very powerful tactic. And in a later video, I'm going to be showing you an example of why it can be so powerful. So don't forget this, let me know in the comments down below, what is a tactic that you use to give value to others? And number 3, I like to call the turtle will always win. So I know a lot of us probably know the story about the tortoise and the hare. The rabbit was cocky and overconfident, and in the end, he ended up losing. Why? Because he was so quick to get to the end goal, by the time that he almost got to the finish line, he was out of breath and couldn't move on, while the tortoise paced himself and maintained his stamina the whole time, and ended up slowly walking past the rabbit, making it to the finish line and winning. You guys, this is majorly important for anything that you're really trying to achieve in life, whether it's in a business or not. This generation really struggles with the idea of patience. They want everything just instant like that. But I mean, who can blame them? We live in an era where many things can come to us instantly. I'm 27 years old, so I totally understand because I'm in that generation. But I taught myself to be patient and try new tactics, to really taste and try new things, to ask others who have become successful for advice, throwing away my pride and ego at the door. And I've had nothing but success. So instead of complaining or being greedy or giving up, I stuck through it with patience and kept pursuing my personal legend. Let me know in the comments down below, what are your goals and your ambitions? I will always comment back, so don't be shy. Consider subscribing and becoming a legend. I would love to have you on this channel. My website and all of my social media will be in the description box down below. And remember to never forget your reason, never stop learning, never give up. But most of all, to always live for your personal legend. Have a blessed day.